If you wanna come to Batanes, go to this place. Bayang Rolling Hills. Wapo kayo siya guys. My God, drugs. Guys, welcome for another video. This is me, Draco, and I will be here again to share with you how to get to Batanes in just 11,000 pesos. And I will show you as well ano yung mga ginawa ko during my time there for at least it was 3 days and 2 nights. I went there to share with you my experiences in Batanes and how I got there, how much I've spent to get there, and when will be the best time to get into Batanes. Now, let's start. Now, to start, Batanes, saan ba? And Batanes is very good place. It's not just good, but it's the best. You know, Philippines naman, it's rich with nature and such, pero Batanes, based on my experience, is very cool. Now, Batanes is located at the northest part of the Philippines, and it is gonna be 160 kilometers away from Luzon mainland. Now, Batanes consists of 3 islands. Out of 10, 3 are inhabited, and these 3 are Batan, Sabtang, and Ivatan. Now, I will share with you my journey through the Batan Island only. So, Batan has 2 parts, north and south. Now, in the Batan Island, there are 5 municipalities, which is Basco, the center of commerce, Mahataw, Ivana, Imnabu, and Itbud. Batanes is called home of the winds. Also, Batanes is 190 kilometers south of Taiwan. And Batanes is located in the Cagayan Valley region 2. Now, let's start with my itinerary. Now, I booked my flight via Philippine Airlines under Piso Fare, and I booked my flight 5 months before my flight date. Now, when I went through my flight date, I went to Clark International Airport. The flight took around 1 hour and 45 minutes. Sinundo ako sa airport, and the fare was 40 pesos going from airport to my accommodation. Now, my accommodation only is 1,950 for 3 days and 2 nights already. The room is very good. It's a great deal. The link for philippineairlines.com is on the description below, together with my accommodations there. Just click the link and you'll see all the details you need when you want to go to Batanes. And they have tours as well. But this tour that I made for myself when I went to Batanes is just DIY. Do it yourself. Para makatipid. And that 11K includes my flight fare, my expenses day-to-day in 3 days and 2 nights, together with my accommodation. Lahat na kasali, pamasahe, mga souvenirs, trinkets, it's all there in 11K. The easiest way to make tipid when you go to Batanes is to do DIY. DIY kasi, magagawa mo lahat ng gusto mo. Unlike tours, oo nga, relaxed, wala ka nang iisipin. Pero it has limited time to spend to each destinations. And for me, it's not good enough kasi I need to spend quite a lot of time in each places. So yun, I arrived in Basco, Batanes around 12 noon. Di ko talaga ma-express yung feeling when the plane landed and I got out of the plane. It's like, dream come true. Iniisip ko lang, pinapangarap ko lang dati makapunta ng Batanes, and I'm already there. Inantay ko lang na bumabaw yung araw na hindi na masyadong mainit. So, at around 3 p.m., I got out. First thing I did was, don't forget this, go to the municipal hall. Kasi you need to get your environmental pass and all the passes necessary to be allowed to roam around Batanes. The first pass that I acquired was for 50 pesos. That is for the environmental fee. And second, ito na yung last, that's gonna be 300 pesos for tourism fee. Now, after you've paid, you got the receipt, and you got the permit, do not forget to bring it with you when you go roam around Batanes. After all the fees are paid, permits and such are settled, you're free to go anywhere you want. Malapit lang sa Municipal Hall ang Naidi Hills. And the Basco Lighthouse is very great. And after Basco Lighthouse, I went to Bayang Rolling Hills. Bayang Rolling Hills is magkatabi lang sila. Dito yung lighthouse. At the right side, dito ang Bayang Rolling Hills. Bayang Rolling Hills has the best view of all the great. It's amazing. Very great. Now, after I got to Bayang Rolling Hills, I went down, naghanap ako ng restaurant, and the first food that I've ate from the local delicacy of Batanes, from the Ivatans, are uvud. Uvud, I'll put the link on the description down below what uvud is. After that, dumaan ako sa local houses lang na gumagawa ng mga specific hats, yung pang farming hats. And I got it for 50 pesos. Malaki siya. Now, second day. In my second day, I woke up at around 5 a.m. By 6 a.m., I went through the Basco town proper to check kung sino ang nagpapaupa ng bike. When I got the bike for 50 pesos per hour, I went through the Mahatao where there is a statue of the Arayu or the Dorado fish. After that, I went to Ivana. That's where the Honesty coffee shop and store is located. I chilled for around 20 minutes lang. Ikot-ikot, tinignan ko yung mga trinkets na binibenta nila and the souvenirs, and I got two for 75 each. Hulog mo lang yung bayad mo, then ilista mo. Honesty. Bruh. So within that entirety of my second day, after I went to the Honesty store, nag-dinner ako with a friend na na-meet ko dun, and he let me try the supas, what they call the yellow rice. Yellow rice, I'll also put the link on the description below, together with lunis. That's the adobo version of Batanes. Hoping na I could get back to the second and third island, which is Sabtang and Itbayat. To get to Sabtang, we have to go to Ivana Port, and the fare is, I think it's 100 to 150 per way. And after going to Sabtang, I'll go to Itbayat. Itbayat is the farthest island where it'll take at least 3 hours of boat ride from Batan Island going to Itbayat. And Itbayat is rich with mountains, so you can do trekking then there if you want. And also in Basco, there's Mount Iraya. Mount Iraya is allowed for trekking as well. So I think that's it. To sum it all, my expenses were about 11,000 pesos. And that 11,000 pesos includes my airfare, expenses, and my accommodation. Now, the airfare is 3,521 pesos per way from Clark, Mega Manila, going to Basco, Batanes. So that's 725 pesos including my canned goods and my pancit canton and rice. And also with my accommodation, 1,950. This vlog doesn't apply to everybody, but I hope na natulungan ko kayo. If you wanted to go to Batanes, you can search for everything you need to know and how much will be the fare. Kasi di lang naman PAL ang nag-ooperate going to Batanes from Naiya or to Clark. We have Skyjet, we also have Cebu Pacific. We just have to abang-abang with the piece of fare para mas mura. Kasi if you go to Batanes with the regular fare, it'll take 10 to 11k airfare pala. Compared to what I did, 11k is everything na. That's just for me That's my way. Kasi nag-DIY lang ako, mas madali. But it's your choice kung mag-tour kayo or not. Just an idea. Para naman, if you wanna go to Batanes, I have an overview na on how. So now, I'll show you the clips. Enjoy. Basically, we are in Bayang Rolling Hills. As you can see at the back, right? That's it. I hope na may natutunan kayo and I hope na makakapunta kayo ng Basco, Batanes in due time after this pandemic. Now, if you like it, leave me a thumbs up and you can comment on the comment section down below sa ano pang videos na gusto nyo ipagawa. And pag okay na lahat, I'll go back to Batanes and I'll go to Sabtang and eat Bayat Island. I hope na you enjoyed the vlog. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and you can follow all my social media accounts on the description down below. Thank you and be safe. Bye-bye.